Hello, Sahana.
Hi, ma'am.
So, Sahana, tell me that what motivated you to prepare for CLAT and other law entrance exams?
So obviously, my the motivation behind preparing for any entrance exam would be my passion to pursue law. So I was very interested in pursuing law since I think ninth standard. So it has been my dream forever, and I was always planning what I should do after my undergraduation and everything. So the first step was cracking the entrance exam, and that's why I chose Career Launcher as my base for it. So the preparation journey was a drag. It was long, it was tough, it had its ups and downs, a lot of downs actually in the second year of my preparation. But one thing that I felt good about myself is that I never gave up. I was consistent, and even though there were a lot of times when I felt disheartened and I lost a lot of motivation a lot of times, but I was still able to push through and still able to do it. I think huge thing with huge backup for my parents and also the faculty at Career Launcher. They were very supportive.
And let us know your experience at Career Launcher Jamshedpur.
Apart from the academic help that we got for the preparation CLAT, I would say something that struck out as unique for me in the institution is that they are very supportive, and it's like a family. It's, whenever I used to walk through that door to the coaching center, it gave me a positive vibe. Seeing all the happy faces of the faculty and staff here, it just made my day, and it pushed me to study, and it gave an optimistic environment for preparation. I think that is very important when you're preparing for entrance exams like CLAT.
How close was the CL mock with the actual CLAT, and also about the CL study material?
Yeah, so CLAT is very unpredictable, so you can't really say what you will get. But that's why I think CL mocks are very good, because neither are they very easy nor are they very difficult. They are moderate, and it sways at times this way or that way, which greatly helps the student, and also we are able to see all the sides, all the perspectives of how the entrance might be. So I think that's a nice aspect. Apart from that, the study material is wonderful. The CL Manthans are a really good source for general knowledge. I personally myself found the same GK, the material that they provide in a lot of entrance exams apart from CLAT. So they have a very standard course or curriculum.
So, Sahana, it's already been June month, and there are students, aspirants who think that they late for their entrance to prepare for CLAT 2025. So, what would be your take on this?
I would say that you're never too late for CLAT. Apart from if you are consistently keeping up with current affairs, you have a good GK base, I think you'll be never late for CLAT. All you need is a little bit of understanding, ability to read, and if you practice enough, I think you would end up in a good college. It's never too late. If you start right now, you have a lot of time to prepare for your CLAT. It's in December, so you will definitely end up in a good college if you're consistent with what you want.
Sahana, one best tip from your end to the current CLAT aspirants.
Apart from all the study related tips, I would personally give a tip that I should have followed, is that you should never lose confidence in yourself. If you're not able to push yourself, you should surround yourself with people who are always optimistic and positive, and people who always believe in you. It can be family, friends, your teachers, anyone who's always ready to push you that next mile. So I feel that you should never lose hope, because if you lose your confidence, then on your D-Day you will not be able to do